Hey guys, we are here at the shop today. It is Saturday, July 3rd, and we are just ready to kind of get started making this place our own. So we've got Mom, Dad, Nana here right now. Neiman will be here a little later, but basically the plan is to get the shop all ready for the ability to just work in there. And so we've got lots of things to do: sweeping out, spraying out, cleaning the carpet, and building some new shelves, and just all of the things. So we're gonna just kind of take you guys along as much as possible today. So I hope you guys enjoy. There's Dad back there. There's Mom and Nana right there. They got toilet duty.
Toilet and this whole thing.
So yeah, they're gonna start back here. I'm probably gonna go grab the vacuum for them. This is carpeted. It's really flat carpet. But basically the plan for this is all gonna be Neiman's photography stuff. We'll eventually paint in here as well. But right now we're just trying to get it cleaned and usable. But basically this is gonna be the shop office. This is the bathroom, so it's not actually in too bad of shape. And then we got the sink over here. They'll probably just clean the floors and stuff. And then in here, this is gonna be the front room where we'll kind of house and store pieces that are getting ready to be sold. Right now, this is where we have some storage before we put it in the actual storage. That is basically the plan. So Dad's gonna get started out here. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
He's gonna get started out here, and he's gonna just be sweeping and spraying out all of the dust, probably even spray on the walls, everything. We want to add shelving here so that I can just store all of my tools and paint. So we just need to get all of that stuff like cleared off. It's just, you know, messy. It's a workshop, but I just want to start fresh basically. My dad has been working for like the past 4 hours, I think, spraying out this. We helped a little bit, but not too much because we were doing other things. So shout out to Dad for basically tackling this whole entire garage all by himself. It was very dusty and very dirty, and it's already looking 10 times better just getting all of that yuck out. Mom and Nana are still going hard on the inside. They are cleaning toilets and all of the yucky stuff. We are about to tackle the kind of workbench area, the storage shelves, and all of that. We want to get all of that cleared off because my plan is to put some shelving units additionally underneath these shelving units. That's a wrap, and here is the best cleaning crew on earth. We made a pretty big dent in the workshop and in the little side area. So shout out to the family, you guys know them all. Give them some love down in the comments.
Let's do a little break.
Home Depot because we've got our measurements to build the shelves that I was measuring. We are going to just build another level of the plywood shelves. So let's go get some wood cut. I'm basically duplicating this shelf that's on the top. So all I need is some 2x4s and some plywood. So here's the plywood. Let's check it out. I feel like everyone's been saying lumber prices are really expensive, but I did not know it was this bad. One piece of plywood on average is like $69. I think we're gonna go with the cheap stuff at $37, which is still a lot.
Four of the 8-foot ones.
So we decided to go with this 96-inch 2x4s because it's gonna let us get the most out of our buck. And so it's $7.72 for each one. I'm getting 4 of them, and this should help. Well, this will, I think it'll be more than 4. I think I need 7 because I need 2 long ones on the back of each, and we're doing 3. So that's 6 plus 1 extra. That's 7. So I need 7. It'll make a little more sense when we're actually building it. Yeah, so like I was saying, I knew that lumber was expensive and like everyone's been talking about it, but oh, it can't be that bad. A plywood piece is $70? Like what? Alright, I think we'll do it. We got 7. Let's go grab the plywood now. We might have found some other stuff besides the $37 plywood. We'll see if that's gonna work. Now we're getting the 2x4s cut to size as well. So Home Depot shout out.
Sounds like a rotor cameras. That's what it sounds like. We'll have to put it at work. Not allowed to.
We're getting screws to put everything together. Got some screws. Let's go check out. are here back at the workshop. We just finished up cutting all of the wood since Home Depot's saw broke. And now Neiman came back with some screws that I forgot at the store. So we are all good to go here. I am going to drill some holes, some pilot holes into the wood so that we can then make the base of the shelf and kind of the frame part before we put the MDF in the top. Three frames built.
Fine, Blake.
Okay, so we just finished making the frames and then attaching the MDF here to the tops. So this is going to be on the top of the shelf around 2 feet from the ground. That's going to give me another one of these. This is where I'm planning on putting all of my paint, tools, supplies, anything like that. And then I'm leaving this part open because things like my cart or my vacuum sander things will go under here, and then I'll still have plenty of room under these as well, about 2 feet of room. So yeah, that's kind of the plan here. We're gonna come back tomorrow. We've been working again all day doing that, but we've made a lot of progress, and all we've got to do is attach them into the walls. So another huge shout out to Tom for getting me this drill and the other drill. It has come in huge handy when we're making these shelves, and then, you know, not only my furniture, but I'm so excited I get to carry it over into the workshop and continue to build different things, and I will be using these all the time. So thank you, Tom. The wall!
Sponsor us.
All right, we are back here in the workshop today. We just loaded up my whole garage and brought it over here basically, and now we're gonna work on putting these shelves in real quick. We're gonna be putting some nails in so that we can rest these on there so that then we can screw them into the existing sides here. So that's kind of our little innovation that we came up with between both my dad and I, these ideas, and we're gonna see how it turns out. Heading to the shop this morning. My first day working in the shop, flipping in the shop. No more garage. Got a big garage now.